Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your Cougar today. On your very front cap, you're going to see you got amber LED strip lights. These are going to be controlled by the LED lights or by the switch right next to the manual light that you can turn on and off by underneath of it. You're going to have docking lights here. Inside this first compartment here, you're going to have a spare tire, 12-volt deep cell battery inside the box there. Right on the driver's side, you're going to have tire pressure, model, make, VIN, everything you need to know about your camper in these stickers. You got two 30-pound LP tanks, both full. Regulator is going to be on this side. You point it to the right, you're going to use the tank right here. Point it to the left, you're going to use the passenger side tank. Inside this pass-through compartment is also your input compartment. You can get all the way through, as well as your leveling systems to the left. Leveling system, you're going to turn it on. You're going to have a retract and extend button here. If the LED is not lit, it's going to be extend mode, lift, and then what leg. Auto level will level out your whole unit. Input, you're going to have outdoor shower, winterization port. To use that winterization port, you need to switch the winterization valve on. To use the city connection port, you need that valve off. Water heater bypass, tank flush. For the black tank, to clean it out, make sure your valves are open and connected to the ground. If you got a full black tank and put more water in it, you're gonna have a mess in your bathroom. Battery disconnect, key TV, input for solar panel. Right on the other side here, you're gonna have a cheat sheet for the leveling system. Heat exhaust, just make sure you don't lean anything up against it. Water heater. Coming to the back here, you're gonna have a fresh water hookup where you'll fill your tank. Storage for your sewer hose. Back's gonna be where you put in your 50 amp hookup. Coming on the passenger side here, you got a rear awning and a front awning. Those are both controlled by the digital panel. Your steps just lift up and store inside your compartment. This side of the pass-through, power cord. Outlets for the TV for outside. You have another 30-pound LP tank. Just the opposite one if I showed you on the other side. Let's go ahead and go inside your unit now. Right when you walk in, you're gonna have at the base a breaker panel and fuse panel here. Right above it is gonna be carbon monoxide alarm. On your digital panel here, it's going to be a one control system. You're just going to hit the power button. You can turn on interior lights, water pump, water heater without even putting in the password. Also control the levels. That will look like a loading bar on a computer. Password is going to be 4444, or I mean 0000. Sorry. HVAC as well as heat will be controlled here. You go to your rear, heat, and set your temp. Push the back button. Lights are controlled here as well as your awning lights. Slides. These are going to be your slides and awning controls here. Settings is where you can control your password and all that. Master bedroom. We're going to start from the master bedroom, work our way back to the living room. Master bedroom has an individual reading light above in the center. It is a push button light. As if you can tell, there's a button in the dead center. You'll see a lot of those throughout your unit. You just turn it on by pushing the button, turn it off. Each side of the bed has charging ports, USB stations. The slide, when you're bringing the bedroom slide in, make sure your closet doors are all the way shut, as well as your compartment door there. And your compartment door up there. Main switch for the LED light, or your bathroom lights here. I mean your bedroom, sorry. TV hookup here. Going inside your master bathroom. The only bathroom you got is right here. You got a light switch right above the sink, as well as your GFI breaker. Pretty self-explanatory how to run the bathroom. These two light switches here, one's going to control the drop lights in your kitchen, and one's going to control the LED lights underneath your island. Start from the right. You got an individual light here that you'll have to turn it on and off by the button. Microwave is going to be best indicator if you have short power. If it is on and working, you at least have 30 amps. The light above the microwave is a manual light. Vent controls, just like at home. You have knobs that have the little flames on them. You move them to the flames. Use your igniter on the left side to light the stovetop. LED lights on the buttons. Push this switch all the way up. Push it to the middle. Turn all the lights off. Push it to the bottom. You got the light in the oven also. Keys are around your sink here. Refrigerator is a propane shore power refrigerator. So as soon as it will automatically detect on auto, it will detect shore power or propane, whatever one has the most power coming out of it. Turn it off to make sure it don't use all your propane. You got the entertainment center, you got your fireplace as well as the 55-inch TV. Just know these items are not going to work unless you got shore power. 12 volt, your stereo is going to work. You got two zones, you got 1 and 2. 2's outside, 1's inside. On the back here, underneath the cabinets here, these are individual lights. The light switch to the left of the window here, that's going to control the main living light. So if you got this couch pulled out into a bed, you can hit the lights right there. You got individual charging stations on each side, as well as your 2 recliners. The poles are inside next to the cushion there. The lights controlled on your slide have a switch on the slide out itself. Storing position for your chairs, one on top of the other, with the strap locking them down. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for choosing Lakeshore. Have a great day.